Your girl has been flashing and it's been hot. I'm hot right now. I like low key. I feel like I'm on fire right now.
Just pulled up to the house. Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart. Stay in my lane. Always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play. I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. Situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I lack? Try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got it.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know what day we're on because I am like 2 days off. I really just like could not get a video up even if I wanted to. It was just craziness. Like Friday I got the video up. Saturday we hit it. If you watched the last vlog, you know I kind of like blended Saturday, Sunday, and Monday all in one because it was just that crazy of a weekend. And so I wasn't able to like vlog and edit and put it all up in the same day. If you're trying to do Vlogtober, girl, listen here. It takes some real dedication and pre-planning. But anyways, we are getting back on track. Y'all, I heard a noise and I was like, what is that? I forgot I started the washing machine. As you can see, or as you saw, I am unpacking from our trip. Y'all, I wore makeup like one time the whole time. I think I wore makeup, I barely put any makeup on to serve because I knew I was going to be sweating, and then I didn't wear makeup the rest of the weekend. I don't know why I took this, and I just threw it in these little bags. Like I didn't even take my real makeup bag. But anyways, so yeah, we are back. I actually just ended the last vlog and was uploading the footage while I am cleaning. And everything is basically unpacked. I'm just doing my makeup and skincare, body care stuff now. Clothes are already washing. My mom is getting dinner. She wanted Texas Roadhouse tonight. So that is what we are doing for food. Honestly, I'm not that hungry, but I gotta make sure Cole eats. So it is all good. Texas Roadhouse, it is. He actually asked for spaghetti. It's all that child wants to eat is spaghetti, which I love that for him, but my goodness. But yeah, so tonight's agenda is just to finish like unpacking, getting ourselves ready for the work week. And then I think I might do a little bit of like work, like real work. I want to get a video up tonight, which is not going to take long. I have not been spending a ton of time on editing, and I've been trying to keep the videos pretty light and short. Tonight is get the vlog up. If I get everything washed and folded and put away, that would be a dream. I don't have a hard day tomorrow, so I can stay up kind of later and do the things I need to do. Typically on a school night, I will not, because I have to spend a lot of energy taking care of children all day and like having a certain level of energy to keep them entertained. If you're a teacher, you know what I mean. It takes a different level of energy to talk and guide people all day long. But tomorrow I get to chill and somebody else gets to do all the teaching. So I might not do too much hardcore work as far as like getting ready for work tomorrow and like the rest of the week. My lesson plans are done. I know what we're doing. So really tonight is like my reset night, which would normally happen like Saturday, Sunday. Tonight it's happening on a Monday, which is fine. It is fine. But I'm not going to do any like meal prep because I pre-made some breakfast and froze it. I pre-made some breakfast and froze it, so I'm not going to be meal prepping that. And then lunch, I think I'm just going to make me like a salad or something. I don't really plan on eating lunch tomorrow. I think I might just take fruit because I want to go enjoy my hour-and-a-half lunch to explore and go to the stores. So, but yeah, I thought to keep tonight pretty light and easy, just bring y'all along as I reset, do all the things I need to do, just a typical night in as I get my life together. Tonight I plan on just taking it slow, just doing all the cleaning and things that I need to do, laundry, just have a chill, slow night. And I might be up for a while, but that is quite all right. I am okay with that because I kind of just want to set myself up for a productive week. I feel like last week I was like in survival mode, trying to make sure I was getting everything done for work. And so I wasn't able to really spend a whole lot of energy working out and all of that. I did have a few workout nights, but not like I want to. So I'm just gonna take tonight to just reset myself, get myself ready to have a productive week. And since I am going out of town again, I kind of have to like work ahead this week to be ready so I don't find myself falling behind yet again. And something I noticed with my workouts being spotty, me taking my collagen has been spotty because I like to take it in the morning, put it in my water while I am walking. And when I don't get up to do my morning workout, it throws me completely off because the rest of my day goes as planned. And so I don't break my evening routine. I just mess up my morning routine. But we're gonna get it together. It's funny because my hair, skin, and nails, it's empty. My D3 is empty, but some way, somehow, I still have a day's worth of probiotics, and I don't know how that happened. But I'm about to fill this up, and as you can see, my nails still aren't done. The plan is to get that done this week. That is the plan. I also don't have an outfit for the concert. The plan was to go find something this weekend. I don't know. I'll probably just throw something together out of my closet. I don't really care if I'm like all dressed up and fancy as far as like having a new outfit. I really just want to go and just take myself out on a little date. So that's all that matters. But yeah, these are empty. And we are starting a new batch. I'm not gonna lie, it low-key bothers me that I start a new batch mid-month. Like, part of me wants to stop taking them and wait till the first of the month so I can be on a normal 30-day supply, but it's not that serious. But that's how my brain works. I do not like starting randomly on things, and which is why I have such a hard time getting back into routine, because I don't like the randomness. I do not like the randomness. Let me know if y'all tried the new D3 that has the peach, mixed berry, and strawberry. Was it peach last time? I can't remember if it was, well, I have it right here while I'm asking, was it peach? Y'all, don't mind me. Yes, it was peach. It was peach. I definitely like these way better than the old ones. And if you are still interested in Black Girl Vitamins, my code still does work. I have been, somebody asked me if I'm still taking them, still liking them on an old video. I think that video is like a year old now, maybe even like longer than that. I am still taking them, but I mentioned in that video that, I think I mentioned like I was trying out a new one, or like still figuring out which ones I liked and figuring out what I needed to take regularly. And so I do take the D3, the probiotics, and the hair, skin, and nails. I was going to stop the hair, skin, and nails because I was taking the collagen, but when I read up on it, they do different things. Still targeting like skin and nails, but they do different things. So I still take them, and honestly, I feel so much better when I take them. When I don't take them, I can feel it. I feel it, and I don't like how I feel. So I definitely feel like I have more energy. My gut health has never been like really bad, I don't think, but could it improve? Yes. But anyways, yeah, that's what I'm taking is probiotics, the D3, and the hair, skin, and nails, and then the collagen. I just haven't been doing the collagen as consistently as I was in the months past. Like this month, I think like this month and like the end of September, so like the last 2 weeks of September and then this part of October, I have been so spotty with the collagen. And then I don't know, I feel like my skin started going cray. It wasn't terrible, it was just like, one, it was probably like heat. Like I feel like I'm hot all the time, y'all. When I was little, I used to get heat rash and heat bumps, and I feel like that was what was happening all over again. I'm like, I am too old to be having these skin issues. But like I told y'all, your girl has been flashing and it's been hot. I'm hot right now. I like low key, I feel like I'm on fire right now. It is hot, and it could be because I'm moving around, but it's hot. All right, and I've already taken my vitamins for the night. I also do chlorophyll, liquid chlorophyll. So, all right, I will catch back up with y'all in a few. I am going to finish cleaning off this stuff and get some clothes ready for Cole and I for the rest of this week. And yeah, then we'll catch back.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
I'm walking fast this morning. Y'all, I got some good sleep. However, I still feel icky. I don't know. It's probably going to take a couple of days for me to get back to normal. One, because Benadryl like really dries me out. So if y'all hear something, Cole is up already. I guess he got a good night's sleep too. Benadryl dries me out, so I have to drink a lot of water, which is why I don't like to take it. And if I don't take it, then I'm itchy. So it's like, which one would you rather deal with? But I got good sleep. I slept in a little and then uploaded the vlog from yesterday because I was like, you know what? I need to give myself a buffer so I can get back on track in life. So I uploaded this morning because it wasn't going to go up till 11 anyways. And I was like, that's kind of late, so I might as well just wait till the morning. So yeah, I decided to put it up today, and then I can get back on track because like my workouts have not been consistent, and I want to get back on that. Of course, Cole has a game today, so we'll be doing that. And then when I come home, we have leftovers, so I can give him his leftovers. I want to start getting my night routine back on track. I can still do Vlogtober, but still be on track at the same time if I am a day ahead on my upload. So like, since I uploaded today, I don't have to upload tonight when I get home. So then I can do everything I need to do my workouts, take care of me, and then work on the vlog later in the evening, so I don't have to worry about like, you know, uploading it tonight at a decent hour. All right, y'all, that is it for this little short vlog. Just really wanted to quickly check in with you guys you know, tell you where we were at. I have to get to work. 3 minutes to get out this door. So catch you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.